Aerial device. The E150-foot boom aerial is designed for aerial firefighting and consists of 1. The aerial consists of 3 welded extruded aluminum telescopic boom sections operating from -10 degrees to 85 degrees and is designed to provide continuous egress for firefighters and civilians from an elevated position to the ground. The aerial device has a vertical height of 50 foot at full extension and elevation. The rated horizontal reach is 42 foot. The measurement is from the outermost rung at full extension to the centerline of turntable rotation. The last 24-inch of the fly section is angled down 19 degrees to facilitate access to and egress from the ladder tip. The aerial has a maximum stabilizer spread of 9 foot and 10 inch. Nylatron slide pads are utilized between each section to minimize friction. 2. The cylinder operates through a block and tackle cable arrangement to extend and retract the aerial. The maximum time to extend, retract, raise, and lower the ladder is 25 seconds. And the maximum time to rotate 180 degrees is 55 seconds. 3. A 33-inch diameter turntable shall be bolted to the top of the mainframe torque box assembly. The turntable assembly is an A-frame design constructed of high-strength steel and will attach the elevation cylinder and boom base with hardened steel pins and bushings. 4. A mainframe torque box assembly is provided between the pump panel and the chassis cab to mount the aerial device. The box is constructed of steel, and the top of the torque box is designed to mount a rotation bearing and turntable assembly. The stabilizer inner tubes are attached to the backside of the torque box assembly. 5. The hydraulic pump, powered by PTO, connected to the gearbox. 6. 2 outrigger jacks for stabilize the vehicle. Right or left jack levers are located on the master control panel. For safety reason, the aerial and outriggers operation is not possible simultaneously because it is not possible to use hydraulic oil for the operation of both of them at the same time. Indicator illuminates when aerial jacks are deployed. 7. The hydraulic tank, which is filled by a cap located on top of the roof. A manual valve is located below it, which connects the tank to the hydraulic pump and is closed during hydraulic pump repairs to prevent the wastage of hydraulic oil. 8. Waterway monitor is located at the end of aerial. Monitor will be operated by the master control panel and the panel installed near monitor. 9. The auxiliary power unit, which is a 12-volt pump connected to the chassis electrical system. The motor uses the vehicle batteries as the power source, and the aerial and outriggers may be moved to the stowed position in case the main hydraulic pump malfunctions or the vehicle engine stalls. The system is designed to provide a maximum of 5 minutes of hydraulic power to operate functions. This system will be operated by the left or right panel. Activate the auxiliary pump by holding the momentary contact switch to on, while simultaneously operating the retract, rotate, or lower control levers. After operations have been completed, release the momentary contact switch to halt auxiliary pump operation. The operational speed of each function will be reduced due to a substantially lower GPM flow than the main hydraulic pump. Caution: the auxiliary pump motor is not designed or intended for continuous use. Operation should be limited to 5 minutes of continuous use. Let cool for 10 to 15 minutes.